I have a quick puzzle for you guys. You need to come up with a way to compare A and B. That is, you have to tell if A is greater than B, if not B is greater than A. But the condition being you can't do any mathematics. No addition, no subtraction, no multiplication, no division. Clue is you can think in terms of level scale, beam scale, right? Beam scale, the weighing scale. Okay, let me explain this. How do you use weighing scale to do this? Well, both the sides have 1022. Both the sides has 125, 125. Both the sides has a single 1 and a single 1. But additionally, B has more weight. So say 2 grams or 2 kg more. And so clearly B is greater than A. Can we tell that? The same thing, the same set of numbers, I can express it this way as well. Which is greater 1023 plus 125 or 1022 plus 128. The same blocks can be written in numbers as well, like here. So similar to the concept that we use here, we didn't go on to add anything, subtract anything over here. We just kind of cancel things around. We could make out that 102, 1022, they will balance each other out, right? Similarly, we balanced out stuff and we saw if anything has anything extra, any side has anything extra. Whichever side has extra, he or she wins, or that side has more weight. Similarly, similar to what we just saw, we can do it with numbers as well, and that's what we are learning, and that's what the heading is. Comparing expression, smarter ways to compare. So without actually doing any addition, subtraction, we will compare numbers. Let me explain how. 1023 and 125 being added. This has to be compared with 1022. Let me use some other color. 1022 plus 128. Now we have 1022 and this is 1023. So I can write 1023 as 1022 plus 1. While 125 can be compared with 128 and I can re-express 128 as 125 plus 3. I can write. Now if you think about it, 1022 and 1022 will balance out. So balancing blocks will be what? 1022 and 125. Both the sides have 125 and 125. The remaining blocks are simple numbers 1 and 3. Right? Clearly 3 is greater than 1. And so our answer is the right side expression is greater than the left side expression. Do you guys agree? So this is how you do the comparison without actually doing any addition and subtraction. This is a smarter way to understand. See, it's not that we are looking at a shortcut. We have a better grip on numbers. That's what it means. It does not mean that we are using any shortcut over here. This happens only if you have a better understanding on numbers. Now let's do this. But here it's subtraction, right? 113 and 25. And we have 112. We are removing 24. So what to do? How do we go on doing it? Well, we can clearly see here that 113 and 112, they are quite related. So 113 can be written as 112 plus 1. And 25 and 24 are also related, 24 plus 1, right? And here 112 minus 24, I'll continue with that. If you look at it carefully, I have 112 plus 1, that's more than 112, but I'm removing 24 and one more. But here only 24 is what I'm removing. So it's like thinking about, okay, 113, I had 113 marbles, right? I have 113 marbles. which is 1 more than 112. But I lost 25 plus 4 marbles, that is 1 more than 24. Do you guys agree? So I had 1 marble extra, but I lost. See, minus is nothing but losing, is it not? So I lost. This person also lost, but I lost 25. The other person lost 24. So I lost 1 extra. Or let me put it this way. Say I had 3 marbles, or say 5 marbles. This person had 4 marbles. If we lose, say I lost 2 marbles and he lost 1 marble. Right? This is losing. So lost. This is the original scenario. Now, since I lost 1, and here we'll end up with, the next day we'll end up with the first person, that's me. I'll end up with just 3 marbles, and the other person will also end up with, yes, just 3 marbles. But we end up with the same marble. You guys agree? Similar to that, we have a scenario over here. Yes, initially I had 1 extra marble, but I lost 1 extra marble. Here this person had 1 less marble, but he or she did not lose that extra marble. Both have lost 24, plus I lost 1 more, in comparison to me having 112 plus 1 more. So all in all, what happens? It balances out. Okay. So we'll use this idea. We'll do a few questions. Then this will be a lot more clear, but it all has to do with the bean balance or level scale, bean scale, beam scale, right? Takdi. If you guys know in your local language, it might sound like takdi. I don't know if you guys know that, but yeah. Okay, guys. So please pause, have a look.